So I just turned myself into Tom Cruise. He has exact same gestures as I have. He has exact same facial expressions. And I did that by providing this video as main source and just this photo of Tom Cruise. So based on this source video and this photo, I created this ultra realistic looking Tom Cruise character who is sitting in my studio with exact same gestures that I have and exact same facial expressions. But this is not a face filter. This is a full body motion cloning, posture tracking, micro gesture capture, stable hands, the stuff studios pay 6 figures for. Now it's available on our website. I'm talking about Higgsfield. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing GenAI companies right now, and Recast is their new breakthrough. The first full body character swap with gestures, true physics that actually works. So basically you keep your movement, energy, gestures and performance but swap into a completely different character. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield, but I generally found this tool really helpful. That's why I'm sharing it with you. So to start using this tool, just go to higgsfield.ai/app/recast, or you can simply just click on the link in description and directly open this page. After that you can just sign up using your account and then start using this tool. Higgsfield has a variety of other tools, like you can generate different kind of images. You can almost use any sort of AI image generation models in here, and also there are a lot of different AI video generation models as well. You can use something like Sora 2 or Google Veo 3.1, WAN 2.5 Turbo, but for this video we are just going to focus on the Recast by Higgsfield. So just go to this link and then sign up, and once you're on this page, now what you need to do, you need to provide your video. Just keep in mind your video should be in MP4 format. If your video is not in MP4 format, what you can do, like in my case, my video was in .mkv format. So what you can do, you can just like go to mkv to mp4 format converter. So you can just look on Google mkv to mp4 format converter, and then you can just like click on this URL and then just open it, just upload your video, and your video will be converted into mp4 format. Also your image should be either in PNG format or in JPG format. Once you are ready and your images are ready, next step is you can just now upload your video in here. The easiest way to upload your video is just drop your video in here, and that's it. I mean, your video is uploaded. Next, let's just choose a different kind of image now. I want to use Hulk. I want Metaverse guy to turn into Hulk and then teach you while he's Hulk. So let's just choose this Hulk character. I can simply just download this image. I'll just save this image in here. You can see it is in JPEG format. Now I'll just open my Higgsfield Recast page. I'll just add that Hulk image in here, and now that image is uploaded. Now the most complex thing that you have to do, just click on this button, and that's it. I mean, that's exactly what you have to do. You just click on this button and now it will start generating your video. Right now it will be in queue and it will take up to 5 minutes, but I'm sure it will be generated in less time. But let's just wait for it and see how quickly it can generate this video. Ooh, in just few minutes, this is what it has created. I mean, just look at him. Let me just quickly download it, because otherwise he will just keep speaking. So there you go. Oh my goodness, you can see the input image was just a simple image of Hulk, just like this image, and then here is me in like my own pose, my own posture, like my own proper gestures and everything. But wow, oh my goodness, this is cool. Let me just show you the original video once again. So this is the original video. Okay, and this is the Tom Cruise version. And this is the Hulk version. Whoa. This is impressive. So it can actually go beyond the simple swap. You can create your own character. You can select any characters that you want instantly and place them in any video, as you have seen. And also you can clone your own voice or choose from a library of voices to perfectly match your new character. And also you can choose among different languages, like maybe Indian, maybe English, Italian, Portuguese, Turkish, Russian, any language. You can also instantly swap your environment from the original environment. So I could easily like just change my environment as well. Okay, so to use all of the features in Recast Studio, you can just like go to higgsfield.ai/recast-studio. Just go to this link. I will leave link to this page in description as well. So here you can just like upload your source video, and after that you can choose a character in here. So these are different characters that you can choose. You can replace with any of these characters easily, the way we did with Hulk. So that was completely external character. And now you can also choose different voice dubbings as well. You can clone your own voice, as I told you already, and also you can choose among all of these different languages. It supports English, Hindi, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, and all these languages. And also you can like easily replace these backgrounds as well. You can choose this background or this background or this background, or simply just like maybe a simple green screen background. So basically it has more than like 30 plus presets for you to like fully generate like new kind of videos. So your final question can be who this tool is really for. So Recast is perfect for VTubers and character-led creators, faceless creators, meme channels, UGC ad creators as well, also global creators who need dubbing, educators using multiple characters, and also personal brands testing as well, or anyone who needs premium content fast. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.